Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make money with crypto in 2023. So make sure to watch the full video. There are many ways to make money from the cryptocurrency markets. Not only does this include buying and HODling digital currencies in the conventional sense, but also via staking, interest accounts, airdrops, play-to-earn games, and more. 1. Invest in high-potential crypto presales like Dash2 Trade. The overall best way to make money with cryptocurrency is to invest in the best altcoins as early as possible. After all, had you invested in Bitcoin when the digital currency was first launched in 2009, you would have paid a tiny fraction of 1 cent. Similarly, Ethereum was trading at just $0.75 per token when its token was released in 2015. Both of the aforementioned projects are now worth thousands of dollars and have subsequently generated significant returns. Crypto presales typically offer below market value prices as they are newly launched projects. They, therefore, have higher potential for returns than more established projects, although investors should ensure to do the proper research and due diligence before investing in a presale. The project has only just launched its presale, with Taro tokens in stage 1 of 3 and on sale for $0.02. $200,000 has already been raised in the presale. Users can enter the Taro Planet metaverse in the form of robot avatars, which are NFTs minted via ERC 721 smart contracts. There are 10,000 robot NFTs, which can be purchased to access the virtual ecosystem of Roboterra. Individual parcels of land can be purchased on the Taro Planet as an NFT on the marketplace. The land NFTs can be used to mine resources, build various structures, and extract rewards. With players able to charge admission to concerts and events or sell billboard space to advertisers. Players can also create their own robot companion NFTs, which assist your in-game robots on the metaverse, upgrading and customizing them before either deciding to hold them or sell on the open market. 2. Earn monthly TradFi returns from the Uncharted NFTs. The Uncharted offers another excellent stream of income for crypto users. The collection of 21,000 NFTs brings returns from TradFi to Web3 users. The project is backed by Seeded Capital Fund, XCF, underpinned by highly advanced HFT, high-frequency trading, algorithms. The Uncharted NFT holders receive a share of the monthly profit generated from the fund via quarterly airdrops. It will continue for a 3-year period, after which the fund will be evenly distributed among NFT holders and the Uncharted Ltd. As the fund compounds over time, the returns are also expected to grow bigger. That doesn't mean you're stuck with the NFTs for 3 years. You can always resell them on secondary NFT marketplaces. Given that the fund is run by a team of industry experts with 10+ years of track record in the industry, the collection is expected to take off on top NFT sales charts as the quarterly returns drop. The collectible value of the asset can't be ruled out, although it is set apart by its real-world intrinsic value. 3. Passive cryptocurrency mining. You can make money with cryptocurrency by directly running your own mining rig. However, buying the hardware requires a large down payment and technical skill to set it up. Alternatively, you could invest in a passive cryptocurrency mining protocol that provides profits through its mining operations. One such passive cryptocurrency mining project is Copium Protocol, a platform that provides a simple solution to participate in cryptocurrency mining. The entire Copium protocol is centered around Copium Mining, a mining facility in Otago that is completely powered by 100% clean, green, renewable energy from hydroelectricity generated in the foothills of New Zealand's Southern Alps. The mining revenue generated from this facility is used to directly buy Copium coin from the open market, providing sustained demand for the token. Furthermore, the Copium coin purchased will be sent to a burn address, making it a deflationary asset. 4. Staking and interest. Earn passive income on idle cryptocurrency tokens. There are 2 notable concepts in the cryptocurrency markets that enable you to earn passive income on idle digital tokens that you own. The first is crypto staking, which involves locking your tokens away for a certain amount of time to help validate transactions on proof-of-stake blockchain networks. Examples of leading staking networks include Cardano, Tron, and very soon, Ethereum. Crucially, you will receive a rate of interest for as long as your tokens are locked away. With that said, if you engage in staking on the eToro platform, you won't be required to meet a minimum lockup period. Instead, you can withdraw your tokens at any given time. 5. Day trading. Make money by trading cryptocurrency pairs. One of the most lucrative ways to make money with cryptocurrency is to actively engage in day trading. However, there is a slight catch. You will need to at least have a basic understanding of how to use the best crypto tools to analyze prices to determine whether the token in question is likely to rise or fall in value. If you can do this, you can make money trading crypto throughout the day. The overarching concept with crypto day trading is that you will look to take advantage of short-term volatility. Furthermore, seasoned traders in this market will rarely, if ever, hold on to a position for more than a day. And as such, the objective is to open multiple positions throughout the day, making smaller but frequent profits. 6. HODLing. Invest in cryptocurrency and HODL long-term. This method from our list of how to make money with cryptocurrency is arguably the best option for beginners. This is because HODLing, which is a play on the term hold, simply refers to the process of buying a cryptocurrency and holding onto your tokens in the long run. This is no different from buying stocks and keeping the shares for several years. And in doing so, you don't need to worry about short-term price fluctuations, especially when investing in solid and established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. For example, in May 2021, Ethereum was priced at $4,300 per token. Just 1 month later, the price of Ethereum had dropped to lows of $2,100. 7. Play to earn crypto games. Earn rewards for playing crypto games. When thinking about how to make money on cryptocurrency, you might be surprised to learn that this can be done by playing games. Make no mistake about it, the play-to-earn crypto game marketplace is now worth billions of dollars. There are many variations and types of titles in this space, albeit perhaps one of the best crypto games to consider playing is Decentraland. Put simply, Decentraland offers a metaverse that enables players from all over the world to create a virtual avatar, chat with other people, and most pertinently, buy plots of land. Once you have purchased a plot of land and built your own real estate project, this is then represented in the form of a unique NFT. 8. Crypto yield farming and lending. Generate an attractive APY on your cryptocurrencies. Another beginner-free way to make money with cryptocurrency right now is via yield farming and lending. Although both of these investment concepts allow you to earn interest passively, they actually refer to slightly different methods. First and foremost, crypto yield farming refers to the process of lending your idle tokens to a liquidity pool. 9. Faucets. Earn free cryptocurrency by completing simple tasks. Cryptocurrency faucet websites give you the opportunity to earn free digital tokens by completing tasks. There are many platforms in this space, and the specific tasks that you are required to complete will vary from one site to the next. For example, some crypto faucet platforms require you to complete CAPTCHAs. 10. Airdrops. Cryptocurrency tokens deposited into your wallet for free. In a similar nature to faucets, airdrops allow you to earn free cryptocurrency tokens without needing to deposit or spend any money. The main concept here is that some newly launched projects will distribute their native tokens directly into people's wallets as a means to enter the cryptocurrency into circulation. This is as opposed to a conventional presale and fair launch directly onto a cryptocurrency exchange, and as such, the project will not raise any funds when they initiate an airdrop. Although this might sound too good to be true, there are numerous examples of airdrops that have since gone on to become multi-billion-dollar projects. If you'd like to join a group chat with thousands of like-minded individuals who help each other out and give business advice, click the link in the description. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.